In this video, we're going to explore the workflow feature in Antilles. Workflow provides a way to designate a content publisher who has the ability to review pages before they are published live on your site. We'll start by going into Site Settings and making sure the Enable Workflow for Publishing option is checked. I'll click Save. Now, I need to go to the All Users section and set someone up to be a content publisher. In this scenario, we're going to assign the content publisher role to Jane Smith. We're also going to put her in the marketing role since she's in marketing. I'll save these changes, and now we'll go back to Pages. I'm going to make some changes to our existing training and support page. We'll make a few edits here to the description to demonstrate how workflow is used. Now that I've made some edits to this page, I see a new checkbox that says Submit for Approval. When I select this checkbox, you'll notice that I now have some new options. Since we designated Jane as a content publisher, I can click Jane Smith. I can also put in a comment about what I changed. When I click on the Submit for Approval option, Jane will get an email that tells her there's a page waiting for her approval. I've now logged in as Jane using the Impersonate feature. Jane will see a screen that shows all of the versions of this page, including the new draft that I just created for approval. She can also click on the comment icon to see all of the previous comments about this document. She could respond. In this case, I'm going to close this, and we're going to say everything looks good with this page. Let's publish it. When Jane clicks Publish, she'll get a confirmation box, and now we see the new page is active on the site.